the solar, it's a green energy. So directly we need to approach to the management. So if we install according to our catchment area or roof availability area, we need to explain to our management about area availability and how much we can install and how much benefit can be get by installing the solar power. So these figures we need to explain to our management. One is with the capex, second one is the opex. So both the model we need to explain to our management. Then we will be able to convince our management, saying that the payback period, that is ROI, return on investment, will be around 4 years. So if you have a money in capex, so if you have a money, definitely we should go for the capex. Suppose if you do not have a money in our bank, by depending on the bank, so we should go for the OPEX. So that is what we did in the second company in the Triton. So we have gone for the OPEX project. So we have not invested a single pie. So all the investment and commissioning and licensing and maintaining, AMC, everything is taken by the Enerpark only. No, it is actually more than that we are getting actually. Okay. So normally around 3.75 units per day or 4 we get. For a thumb rule, 4 rupees per unit we get. We take actually, but I am getting for the past, you might have seen our graph, around 4 rupees 23 paise we are getting the benefit. So it is more than what is assured. Yes, actually this is around 45 years old company. So we had a lot of challenges in the old roofs. So we approached Enerpark. So they have taken whole responsibility that they gave a assurance that we will study your stability of your building. Wherever feasible, there only we are going to install. So though we had a installation capacity of 1 megawatt, but we went only 700 kilowatts depending on the stability of the roof. Moreover, in one of the building R&D, it was very challenging there, but Enerpark has taken all the cost paid by the Enerpark and they put their extra sheets, around 1 to 2 lakhs they have spent and made it right, and whatever earlier water leakage were there, those things also it is covered, and we were happy actually. These were the challenges we took.